Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to insert or remove a page break in Microsoft Word. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So you can see I have page number 1 right up here, and then I have page 2. So in order to create a page break, this tutorial will show you guys how to do it. So we're just going to go up and left click on the Insert tab one time, and then you want to go ahead and left click on Page Break. So once you've done that, you see we have another page listed in here. So in between 1 and 2, we have a blank page that has been created. So in order to delete a page break, we're just going to go back up to the Home tab. Then you want to left click on this little symbol right here that says Show or Hide when you hover over it. You want to just left click on that one time. So you see there's something that says Page Break right here. All you have to do is just highlight over it and then delete. And you can see now we only have 1 and 2. So if there's any content on page 1, it wouldn't be bringing 2 all the way back up to the top. But I think you guys get the point that now this is where the blank page used to be and it's no longer there. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial.